I'm Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Today, I have a grocery haul for you. I know you love grocery hauls, so I decided that, I hadn't been to the grocery store in probably about 2 weeks, maybe even longer. Just kind of convalescing at home, and I didn't want to go out and about, so we needed things, okay? It's not a ton of things, but it's the kind of daily things that you just have to replenish. So I'm going to show you what I got today. All right, let's start back here in the dairy. We got some milk, and it was $2.93. I did put a couple prices out on just a few items. I didn't price everything, but just so generally you overall just kind of get an idea of the kind of prices that we're paying here in Virginia compared to wherever you are. Some French vanilla coffee creamer and some half and half. That half and half I think was $1.89. And, yeah, that went up, but I really didn't think that was too bad. And it's something my husband enjoys in his coffee, and I use it for other things as well. So that's why we get that. I did buy some more cheeses. I love to grate my own cheese. So there's some sharp cheddar, some mozzarella for any kind of Italian dishes that we do. We are an Italian family, and we do enjoy Italian stuff every once in a while. Colby Jack down there too, and some Swiss for my husband's lunch. I don't remember the prices on the $1.65. I think that was. I don't know the Swiss. Sorry about that. Here are some eggs. I just picked up 2. I was really pleasantly surprised because the last time I was there, if I'm not mistaken, I do believe the eggs were $2.39, maybe even $2.69 a dozen. And today, what do I got there? $1.85. So I picked up 2. I probably should have got a third one. Darn it. Oh well. Just sitting here thinking, here we go. Okay, I got a pork loin, one of these great big half pork loins for $11. It was $2.09, I think, a pound. Does it say there? Yeah. Yep, I got it right, $2.09. I am gonna cut these up into pork chops and marinate them. I'm gonna marinate them in the pineapple juice that I used in my last recipe. The pineapple pretzel cream. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to thicken up the pineapple juice just a little bit with some cornstarch, heat it up, and then I'm going to pour it over my cut up pork chops, and those are going on the grill, and they're going to be delicious. I also, we got bratwurst for the first time ever. I have no idea what they taste like, if they're any good. But, we're going to give them a try. And they were $2 off. That's a ton of bratwurst in there. I hope we like them. So $4.99 for I think they call it a party pack. Yeah, 12 of them. Guys, am I going to like bratwurst? Let me know. We love Italian sausage, of course. And I know it's not going to taste like that. Maybe similar. I don't know. I know it's pork. We do pork, so. Oh boy, did we do pork. Boy, we got a pork loin, some brats, and now here we got some bacon. I didn't even realize that. That's a lot of pork, huh? Oh well, I'll probably put a lot of this away for the future. I always have a just in case spot in my freezer, and also downstairs in another pantry area that I have. Some spinach. My husband likes to make wraps. He'll put some cheese and turkey in a wrap right there that I got. And he'll throw in some spinach, and some sliced tomatoes. We got some of them as well, and some lettuce. So I see he got lettuce. Yeah, okay, well, it's actually sounding pretty doggone good. All right, and then I just picked up some yellow mustard, strawberry preserves in the morning. When one of my little grandsons comes and visits, he loves jelly toast in the morning, and that is jelly toast is just an English muffin with butter and strawberry jam, and he eats the whole thing. So always make sure I have that at Oma's house. And I got some strawberries. These were on sale. What were they? What, $1.69 a package, I believe. Not too bad. I think they should be less for this time of year, but not too bad. I'm not going to complain. Just to have a grateful attitude, right? All right, I'll show you what I'm going to do here. I got the sugar-free vanilla pudding. I'm gonna make that up, and I'll probably make that up with the half and half. So yeah, and then I got some light whipping cream or whipped cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and make up some pudding, and I'm gonna make like a parfait with this Cool Whip topping, kind of, sort of, and some sliced strawberries, and maybe even slice up a banana here. These organic bananas were 61 cents a pound at Aldi, so I was pretty happy about that. So there you go. That's going to be a nice little dessert for us one of these nights. I did get some frozen broccoli. Those will go probably with the pork dinner, grilled pork chops over here. I like those. Those always taste so good. There's some more of those wraps back there. I think I showed you a low carb video that I did just a little while back. I can put that, I'll list that down below for you. And I made some low carb snacks. I'm so sorry. I'm getting tongue twisted here. I'm so tired. Oh. Anyway, yeah, we stock up on those. And like I said, my husband does use those for his lunch as well. I also picked up some dried fruit. I just like having some dried fruit in the house. I like making sweetbreads and muffins and things like that. And so throwing in some dried blueberries or some dried cherries. Guys, if you haven't tried dried cherries yet, give that a try. And I also adore cranberries. Jennifer, if you're listening, she knows who she is. Yeah, they're cranberry farmers. And so, yeah, they eat a lot of cranberries too. So, but we love them here. We love cranberries. All right, and then, oh, these lemons. I got 2 bags of lemons. They were $2.99. It was a sale this week on them. And I am going to do some dehydrating, and I put a little dehydrating pile over there I was going to show you, and these lemons actually are supposed to be in that. Sorry, I wasn't thinking. Forgive me. All right, back there I have some little vanilla wafers because my grandkids are coming to visit and they like to have those. So another box of the vanilla pudding. And they also love this little sparkling pink lemonade, but I love the bottle. So when they're done with it, I put my homemade extracts in there, like vanilla and lemon extract and orange extracts. I did a video on that as well. And by the way, I need to go and check on them. They should be absolutely fantastic right now. And a couple things here to put down in my just in case pantry downstairs. Some mayonnaise and 4 cans of green beans back there, and a box of tea. I love to make sun tea. I have a glass jar, big glass, I guess maybe a quart, couple of quart size, and a rubber stopper on it. I fill it with water, 4 tea bags, and I let it sit out on the deck in the sun all day, and that makes the best tea in the whole world. Yeah, it really is good. I really love it. I look forward to it. Actually, sometimes even more than Coke Zero. Yes, I have a problem with Coke Zero. Okay, we got some napkins. Definitely have to have napkins. Don't remember how much they were, but I don't think they were outrageous or anything like that. And they were plentiful. Yeah. Here's some celery. The celery is, I'll probably use some with to make up a chicken salad, but the majority of this celery is going to be dehydrated. So there's some cards here at the end, some Father's Day cards that I have flipped the other way because in case somebody watches my video, one of my dads in my life, I don't want them to see that. So they were cute as could be, Aldi cards. They are adorable, really, really. And they're usually 99 cents and they did go up to $1.50, I think, kind of a little bit more than the dollar store went up. I think, what, $1.25 now? Yeah, I haven't even been there, so I don't know. I can't speak of it. All right, this little section right down in here, minus the tablecloth. Yes, I did get a little round 70-inch tablecloth for my back porch. I'm going to put that in the summer house and use that for the summer. I have a sweet little lemon white one out there right now with lemons on it, and it gets dirty so fast, so I'm gonna put a little plastic one out there for a little while. I like the 70-inch on my table. It looks just perfect. It's not too short. It has a good length on the sides, and I like that look. All right, so back to the veggies. Those will all be dehydrated and put into jars. Can't wait to do it. I'm so excited. And I'll show you, I'm gonna stick in a picture of my new Kasori dehydrator. If you'd be interested in seeing any of that process whatsoever, let me know in the comments below if that is something that interests you. I am not an expert in it. by any means, not by any means, but I do enjoy doing it. And I can't wait to dig into my kasori. Okay, here's some peppers. There's nothing better in the world than dehydrated peppers and onions. Oh, and even garlic. It's just wonderful. So these were $1.99, guys. These packages and these colorful peppers are usually the most expensive. So how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 packages of the colorful. When they dehydrate, I mean, they really do shrink up. So, you know, this could all possibly fill in 1 glass quart jar, maybe 1.5. And then I'll throw these green peppers into the mix as well. They're wonderful. Soups, stews. I cook them in my eggs. I'll put onions and green peppers in olive oil or butter or something in a pan. If I'm gonna make eggs or a chicken dish or something, they hydrate right back up and they are delicious. And then the celery as well, yeah. And I put 1 package of strawberries over here because nothing like dehydrated strawberries for a little snack. Again, my grandkids love them. No sugars, nothing. They are just absolutely delicious. All right, well, that is it. I did get some oil here. Yeah, a little bit of oil. If I'm making a sweet bread or something, or like I said, muffins. Did I say that already? I don't know. Well, whatever. I don't buy too much of this because I really don't like to use that much, but in a pinch, once in a while, I will use this. Generally though, darn it, I forgot. I just picked up a whole bunch of coconut oil and I use that too as well. So I try to stay away from this kind of stuff. So there you go. I think that's the entire haul. Yeah, it wasn't huge, but it's what we need. So, well, it sure is a breezy day out here in the summer house, that's for sure, but it is well worth it because it's a sparkling summer day. That's what it is. And I need a glass of iced tea right now, some sun tea with some dehydrated lemon slices and some a sprig of fresh peppermint. Ooh, from the garden. Doesn't that sound wonderful? And most of all, I wish that you were sitting in that chair right over there and we were having a good old conversation. Well, thank you again for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the grocery haul. I did want to tell you what we spent for all that. That came to $142.02. I don't know. What do you think? From whatever part of the country you're coming from or the world, let me know what you're paying, and if that is a good price, a fair price, or a super high price. Let me know. Let us all know. Put it in the comments so that everybody can scroll through and enjoy that. I love when you all just kind of communicate with each other down there through the comments. That's the only way that we have really to create this wonderful friendship here. That's what I call it at Super at 60. I truly love each and every one of you, and your comments are just sweet to me. They really are. And I thank you so much for taking the time at the end of a video and leaving a comment. It's a really lovely thing to do. I'm Darlene. This is Super at 60. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye now, and Lord bless. Look at the camera there. Say hi. Just say hi. Just say hey. This is Brownie. She's totally out of control. She's spoiled rotten.